Hi everybody, I heard that some of you are having a hard time finding my tiles and I realized why. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through how to find my tiles and to join our open house, and overall this will just help your child in general, and I'll do this with them at the Q&A session. Alright, if you go to Canvas, you might find that you have courses from last year, from speech teachers or pull-out groups, or maybe the teacher just left it up there from last year. Either way, you don't see anything from Miss Heald. I would like you to go over here to Courses and press this button down here that says All Courses. You might have to scroll if you don't see all courses. Alright, and it'll pull you to a screen with stars and boxes. I have a lot. I've been doing Canvas for some time. And unstar anything that's not relevant to your child for this upcoming school year. And then star everything that has my name on it. So if you see Heald, go ahead and put a little star next to it. If it is orange, you are good to go, or yellow, whatever you want to call it. Alright. I'm not using this one. Don't star PE teacher. So we should have language arts reading, social studies, science, Miss Heald math, language arts reading, Heald homeroom. Alright, so right now all I really care about is this one. I will walk your child through the rest of them. So if you can't find any of the other ones, that's fine. This is the only one that I'm legitimately concerned with for Wednesday. Go back to dashboard, and you should have a screen that looks like this. Alright, definitely this one. So Heald homeroom. I'm just going to go ahead and finish. So if I click on it, it doesn't take me to announcements because I'm the one that made announcements. And I go to announcements, you should see this open house. And here are the links I have been referring to. I hope this clears up anything. If you are still unable to find this tile in your child's Canvas, please email me so we can try to fix the situation. Thank you.